We are going to solve this one using two different methods. So the first one's going to be Desmos, which is the easiest way. So there's two ways in Desmos actually. You can just set your two equations. So you have x plus 20 as your first equation and 8x as your second. Now if we reset back to the original here, we can see that there is one intersection here between the 2 points, and another way to do this to make it even clearer is by setting them equal to each other. So x plus 20 is equal to 8x, and we see here, we can zoom all the way out and see that there's only one, and that would be at this point here, 2.857. So that would be the x value that they intersect at, and we can see, since there's only one, that b will be the correct answer here. Now if we solve this one using algebra, we can just set them equal to each other. So you'll have x plus 20 equals 8x, and then you can solve from here. So subtract an x from both sides, 7x equals 20, and divide both sides by 7, and you get x is equal to 20 over 7, which is just one value.